Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to create a simple survey you can use with your students. This tool is called Excel Survey and it's located in your OneDrive space. Let's get started. We'll need to go to our district homepage, to Quick Links, and to the Office 365 portal. From here we'll go directly into our OneDrive. And from there we will click on New and then Excel Survey. You can type any name you like for this exercise. I'm just going to type in anything. We'll call it Test 5. Again, you can name it what's most appropriate to you. Okay, as this is loading, we can then click on the first box that appears, or I can enter a title if I needed to, a description if necessary. Okay, then I'll come down and enter your first question here. I'll click on that box. As we do that, we see an additional box appear to the right where we can create our question. I will simply enter last name. Okay, the response type, we can control the type of response you want. Text, a yes or no response, a multiple choice response. There's a few other ones if you want to have extended text written, a paragraph text. Okay, so you have a choice. You can also make the question required or not required by checking this box. I'll hit done. And if I wanted to add more questions to my survey, I can simply hit add a new question and continue from there. I'll quickly create a second question. Let's just say first name. Okay, and let's just, for giggles, we'll put yes or no. Not really for giggles, it's not that funny, but you just have other options. That will make that one required too. And I will hit done for that. So let's pretend that we went through an entire series of questions that we needed, and now we want to save it and view it. Below you will see where it says Save and View. I'll click on that. And here you have a view of what others will see when they click on the survey link, which I'm going to show you in a minute how to obtain. If you want to edit it further, I'm hovering over the Edit Survey button below right now. You could go back into it and make changes. Okay. If you thought it was ready for editing and it was 100% ready to go, you can hit Share Survey, which is down here as well, and I will click that. All that does is create a link that you can copy by selecting Control-C, or you can right mouse click on it and click copy that way. Either way will work, you just need to copy that link. I'll hit close after copying it. And then essentially it brings you back into the spreadsheet where all of the data from the responses will be housed. And you'll see from the drop-down list that you'll be able to easily sort some of the information that comes in, ascending or descending, which is convenient. If you decided you wanted to change your survey or edit it even from this point on, or over time you may wish to add things or subtract things, you can simply go up to the Survey button and select Edit Survey. Apologize for that. It's under the Home button, which wasn't populating, but you'll see a section here that says Survey. I'll simply click on Survey and click Edit Survey. If I needed to get the link again, if I didn't copy it or I need to go back and copy it again, I can click Share Survey again and it will automatically create that link, the same link that I can copy and use where I need. So the next part would entail you sharing, really after you copied, you're going to paste now, that link to the survey via email or even post it to a web page. So if I just went back into my the email part of my OneDrive. Let's just get out of here. Okay, we'll go back to Outlook here. And if I clicked on New Email, maybe I had a few students that I needed to send this to. I would come down to the body of my email here and just paste that link in. It's a long link. If you wanted to shorten that link, you can use the feature under here to link an item. You can actually highlight it. So let's say, for example, I had a word in the email and I wanted to create this word so it was linkable to this long thread. I could highlight it, and then you'll see this link becomes viewable. I'll hit Insert Hyperlink, and I can just paste, right mouse click and paste that link right into there. So that's one way to make a hyperlink very quickly. I know it's kind of a side, but some of you that may be valuable. And then, of course, I can send this email to whom I want, groups of people, a distribution list, a class, students, whomever. Practical uses of this tool could be to gather simple information or feedback from students, or even to collect links to projects students have made. Many of the presentations that we're starting to use more, tools like Prezi, Animoto, or GoAnimate, just to name a few, allow links to be created to share final products. We hope this tool could be useful for you, and we appreciate your participation. Thank you.